Like the old ones here on top.
But it's not, I didn't even know, I mean, I knew that it was there, but I didn't know what it was. It doesn't look,
Isn't that really obvious like on camera? I don't know. It really bothers me, you know. But there should be another one more session with my
laser.
yeah, with the laser and stuff.
Uy, Tagalog.
Meron pa akong last session
Oh,
sa
laser.
gumagawa ng tattoo sa tattoo.
Sakit?
Yeah. No,
Masakit,
they have
ba't
anesthesia.
laser? Ba't nila laser?
To erase the tattoo. See, so on top of my eyebrow. Di ba nakita mo parang may bura? Tattoo yan. Pinabura ko, pinarevise ko. Ito yung bago. It's a new one. Gabot.
Pinarevise. Oo.
Kasi ang taray.
Ang taray
So I look like you know, so higher. So I really have to.
Paano binura nila? Paano nila binura?
What they put anesthesia, like inject and an ointment, and after that, kind of set it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes na lang. Keep still for 15 minutes, and then they erase it. The old ones, they erase it with skin color, with your skin color.
What? So not laser?
No, they'll just put their tattoo your skin color.
Oh.
It's better than laser. Because I had tried already. The laser and stuff.